So under fractions tine atinoti proper nema improper nema mixed numbers. Tine proper, improper and mixed numbers. So under this section now tida kutarisa on what is called a fraction. So wakanzi describe a function, a fraction, you now know how to define a fraction, which means a fraction is a number which is expressed in the form ekuti a over b, as a anenge the top number yatinoti numerator, where b is the bottom number yatinoti the what, the denominator. So we want to consider the diagram which is shown below. Per diagram redu takanzi, the shaded part in the diagram above is 1 of 8. Hence mathematically it is written as 1 over 8. Zvatiri kuedza kutaura ndezvekuti takatarisa the diagram redu, this is a circle. Circle yedu ine divisions mangani, ine divisions 8. Ndo zvatiri kutaura panapo. Saka zvaine 8 divisions, takaverenga tiri kuona kuti tine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 divisions. Asi panzva pane 8 divisions, tiri kuona isusu kuti zvoni 1 division ndiyo iri shaded, then the other 7 are not shaded. Saka wakanzi zvonizvo write down the shaded part of the diagram redu in its fraction. Wakuona kuti une one part which is shaded, saka wakuchiti 1 over the total number of divisions ese aripo 8. Saka you are going to say 1 over 8. That is how you are supposed to deal with the issue of these in the shaded diagrams. Then after that, totally says kuti we also have got the other examples. Let's say we wakanze 3 out of 5. Wakanze 3 out of 5. Zvinoreva kuti you have got 3/5. Kana chiti 3/5, 3 out of 5 zvinoreva izvo kuti is 3 over 5. Kana pakanze 7 out of 8, which means we have got 7 over 8. Ndo zvinenge zvichirehwa nema situations edu anenge anayo. So tine mamwe cases ekuti unogona kana kunzi 5 times 3 divided either by 12 times 3, or inogona kunyorwa ichinzi 5 over 12. So in other cases, if you multiply either the denominator kana the numerator by 3, unogona kusaura futi unani una 15 over 36, but inenge isiri reduced. But if you reduce it further, you are going to get 5 over 12. Same applies nekuna 3 over 8.